In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an item in a SharePoint list using Power Automate. This skill is incredibly handy when you want to automate parts of your workflow, saving time and reducing the chance of human error. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Power Automate. You'll need to start by creating a new flow. Power Automate provides a powerful way to automate repetitive processes, and creating a flow is like setting up a chain reaction where one action triggers another. In our case, the goal is to update a SharePoint item when a specific event occurs. Next, choose a trigger. The trigger you select will determine when your flow will run. For our purpose, you might choose something like when an item is created or when an item is modified in your SharePoint list. These options kick things off when the specified event happens. Now, for the trigger, you need to provide your SharePoint site address, which is simply the site where your list is stored. Also, you must specify the list name, as this directs Power Automate to the exact list you want to work with. If you need to gather further details about the item, add a Get Item or Get Items action. This might be necessary if the trigger itself doesn't give you enough information. Although depending on your needs, you might not always need this step. It's a good habit to retrieve any additional data that might be relevant to your update. If your update should only occur under certain conditions, it's a good idea to incorporate a condition. For example, you might only want to proceed if a particular field has a specific value. This helps refine your automation, ensuring it doesn't run in situations you haven't planned for. Now it's time for the critical step, adding the Update Item action for SharePoint. Here, you'll re-specify the site address and list name to ensure the update takes place within the right context. You'll also need to specify the ID, which you can pull directly from the trigger or our previous Get Item step. This ID is crucial because it tells SharePoint precisely which item you're looking to update. As for the fields, especially those crucial like title or any other required ones, you'll need to re-enter the current values if you're not changing them. Remember, SharePoint sometimes mandates that essential fields are always supplied, whether they're being modified or not. Ensure any other fields you wish to update are filled with the new data. Once everything is set, it's crucial to save your flow. Testing is just as important as creating, so go ahead and modify or create an item in your list to trigger the flow. Monitor to ensure the Update Item action operates as intended and that all fields reflect the changes you've outlined. This testing phase ensures everything works correctly and the updates occur smoothly whenever the trigger conditions are met. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your SharePoint list dynamically updated using Power Automate. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!